Discover the power of sunlight, nature's gift for a healthier and brighter tomorrow. The natural light from the sun has many great benefits for our health and well-being. Sunlight gives us vitamin D, which keeps our bones strong and helps our immune system stay healthy. Being in sunlight makes our bodies make serotonin, a chemical that makes us feel good and happy. Sunlight helps our bodies know when to sleep and wake up, so we sleep better and feel more rested. Some sunlight can make skin problems like psoriasis and eczema better because sunlight kills germs. Using sunlight to make energy means we don't need to use as much fossil fuels, which keeps our planet cleaner and safer. Unlock the good health. Unlock health.